Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna go and review the SimPure filtration system, which is under the sink I installed over 6 months ago. And as you can see probably on camera, it's blinking, CF filter blinking. I do have two filters to replace, but I will not replace them today, and I'll explain you why. So this system, it's an amazing system which have 7 level of filtration. You have to to buy replacement filters in the future. So the filter lasts about 6 months for me, and I use it basically daily. It's very simple installation. You can see the link above of the video when I install it. So there is a place where the water will come out, and it's very simple. Once you turn it on, it will activate it and pump the water. Okay, there's basically no delay. You're gonna get filtrated water. And yes, it's not a joke. Its filtration system really works. The only problems I'm gonna tell you later, which I'll have, and also I'll tell you what the benefits you're gonna get with this water. I will show you exactly what TDS and EC will be on the system. After 6 months, I'm gonna test 3 different waters. One is gonna be like basically filtration from home filtration system, which you can buy at Costco, anywhere like this. Pretty basic. This is brand Brita. Costs about under $30. You have to replace the filter very often. And then I'll try tap water. And then I'll try bottled water. And I'm gonna get another cup so I can try the filtration water from the under the sink. After 6 months, even the filter is still blinking. We'll see if it's still cleaning. Then I'll tell you my future filter, because I have another filter I'm going to install, and it's also from SimPure T1, because I didn't have any problem with this filter and I loved it, but not enough to keep it for a long time right now, because I'm going to replace the filter temporarily with this one and see how much I will love this one. So it will be a new video, more information I'll give you at the end, and I'll tell you more difference in them. But today we're going to do the testing 6 months later to see if the filter still works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first pour the filtration water, like purified drinking water, okay, right here. You don't need a lot to test it. The first second, it will be from this filter, which really easy to use, and most people have it. Then I'm gonna get this one, so I'll show you in front of you, because you will tell me I put something else. Tap water, okay? So it will sort, and the last one will be water from filter right here. I usually let it run a little bit, and you could hear probably beep, so it's time to replace the filter. But again, it's going to be right here, the last one. No interruption in video going to be. I know some people will tell me it's not true, and I don't know what the result going to be, but right now it's all zero. EC, we're testing for EC, and first will be testing the purified water, which actually showed me 8. It was 8 over here, and I'm gonna get camera close up so you can see better. So right here it's showing me 8, which is great actually. Then I'm gonna drop to the filtration water, which is 4.345 EC. And if you want to know what is the EC, just search on Google. And then this one gonna be tap water, which is 442. And then we're gonna drop to the filtration water, which already have an old filter which I need to replace. Show me 36, which is actually still good, better than the tap water and better than the filtration water. But again, so far I'm impressed, because actually the first street water purified have very good rating so far, which is good. What it does, it means there's no minerals, no any stuff inside. That's what it's testing for. And now we're going to test it. I switched to, it says ppm, so it will be TDS, I guess. So it's testing for mineral and all the additive usually put in the water when you get your tap water. So there's a lot of additive chemicals, a lot of stuff going on, which you can do research on your own. But we're going to test first the purify from the first street. It showed me only 6, which actually a really good result, very good result. And I'm not promoting that brand, but I'm just telling you. This one is from the filtration, which is 202 right here. Not bad result actually, because you're gonna see the tap water about the same, 210. So it does not really clean, this home filter does not really clean all this like stuff, minerals and all these chemicals, wherever chlorine and stuff comes. And this one is the filter after 6 months. I know when I installed first, it was a little bit low. Now it's about 16. 16, way better than tap water, right? Which is over 200. And it's way better than even home filtration water. Right now it's showing me 185 for some reason. Let's see. And again, this filtration, this sensor will not be accurate since I just dropped one to another. You might have some build-up. So let's see, clean up. After clean a little bit water, 2 or 3. So you basically need to clean up after each use. So I'm gonna clean up again. So now show me 11. Okay. So once you clean up, it showed me 11. And let's do one more time. This one showed me 5. So still purified water show me 5. The filter water will show me 204. So I will do clean up after each time. But still tap water will show me about 212. That's the difference using the filtration system, the one I have right now, versus to use tap water or any filtration system. So I'll talk to you about what does it do actually. It's 7 levels of filtration. It's remove all these minerals and all these deposits, whatever it is. This is a red one. As you can see, like line, what it does, it takes all this bad water, whatever, because it's filtering, and the bad water going inside the garbage dispenser right here. Okay? And every time you get clean water, it's filtrating, and it's throw away, I think, some percentage of water you lose, of course, because it's filtering. When you use this filter, basically all the water going back, because it does not really clean it. It does not really remove the much. It gives you some filtration, but not. Okay, now about what problems I have with this filter. Well, I have 0 problem with this filtration system, SimPure, because after I installed it, there was no leaking. After I installed it, I never even touch it underneath. I only use this like dispenser right here to turn on and off. And the only bad about this filter is since it's remove all deposit all the minerals, it will lose the taste. So it will be very clear water, and it will be not the tasty water, I would say. Not the water you prefer to drink usually. That's why also it's not going to be as good, most likely, because it removes all the minerals as well. But I would not recommend usually to drink this water all the time. That's another reason we have this filter. We mix the water. But this is good for cooking, good for humidifier, good for any place where you need clear water with no deposits. So it's a great water for any like cooking, like even making coffee, tea, because it will be super clear with no minerals, with nothing in it. When it does not have minerals and stuff, that's something I don't want to talk, because this might be blocked by social media, because I'm not a professional medic. I cannot really discuss this information. So you can do your own research when there's no minerals and stuff in it. So basically it's just plain water with no any deposit in it. That's one of the reasons we didn't like to use this all this time. That's why we use mostly for cooking, some drinking. But if you want to have drinking water in your household, you would need to get this one, T1 series. It's same brand, reverse system as well, water filtration, but it will have more stuff. I'm not sure if it has on the box, probably not. So this system would allow you not only different levels of the filtration, but also will give you UV filtration and deposit all the minerals it's removed, and it will also make the pH balance for drinking water. As pH balance, it will not do anything to it. So I test it out, and I'm gonna buy the pH strip so we can test it out in the future. So please subscribe to see the future video I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this filtration system. Maybe I'll put to the side, because I will probably use both of them in the future, because this one is great for cooking stuff when you don't need minerals and deposit, you want clear water. And the other one I will install and see how easy to install, and see if I can use them both at the same time. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a filter which I'm going to replace in the future once I decide to leave it on, because this system is still good. It's worth the money, because for 6 months we use it very often for cooking, for using in humidifiers. It will not give you build up. It's very good water you're gonna get, but again, there's no minerals, not many chemicals in it. So that's something we didn't like to use all this time. So it's good gonna be for cooking and stuff, but this one gonna be great for drinking, because it will have a better pH balance most likely, and we're gonna test it out as well. It will have minerals deposit, because it will remove it and then deposit. So it basically will have clean water with good taste, supposed to be, and we're gonna test it out later in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.